Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13574 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2008 Honda Element. Locate the access holes on the inside of the factory frame rails shown here. The handle nut will be inserted on the foremost access hole, and the square hole spacer and carriage bolt will be inserted into the rearmost access hole. You will need to enlarge these access holes to accommodate the appropriate hardware. Grind out the access holes, being sure to wear the appropriate safety gear. Once the access holes are enlarged, check the clearance by inserting the hardware into the access holes. Once the access holes are appropriately enlarged, use a paint pen or a rust inhibitor to cover the exposed bare metal. Insert the handle nut into the foremost access hole, lining up the nut with the attachment point on the bottom of the frame rail. Bending the handle will help align the nut. Fish wire the rearmost hardware into position by routing the coiled end of the fish wire up into the attachment point on the bottom of the frame rail and out through the enlarged access hole. Place a square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert it into the enlarged access hole into the frame rail. Next, thread the carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire. Pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt through the enlarged access hole and down through the square hole spacer, and finally out through the attachment point. Carefully remove the fish wire to use it again. Repeat this entire process on the opposite frame rail. Raise the hitch into position with the help of a friend if possible. Place a washer over the fish-wired carriage bolt. Lift the side plates of the hitch over the fish-wired hardware and the washers carefully in order not to knock the hardware into the frame. Secure the hitch with the hex flange nut. Place another washer above the side plate on the foremost attachment point. Then install another washer over the hex bolt and finally attach the bolt to the handle nut. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Continue by installing the U-bolt through the recovery loop and inserting it through the attachment holes on the hitch. Fasten the U-bolt evenly with the included hex flange nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Bada boom! This completes the installation of the CURT 13574 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2008 Honda Element. Get ready to install the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Always tow safely and get ready to bring it.